We got our furniture. Yay! I just really want one, so I was like, okay. Welcome to Baking with Sarah. Today's just been a little bit of a slower morning because, as you can tell, I'm sick. Good morning. Good morning. Look at this nice mess we're already forming. Yes, nice mess everywhere. Hola muchachos. Just finishing up my peppermint tea. My kids are asking, or they're requesting, a at-home workout for me to do. Thanks, kiddos. That is how we are gonna, let's just put this here for now. That is how we are going to start our day. Getting a solid, good workout in. I did work out yesterday, but I just feel like today I wanna work out again. I just wanna hash out another workout. I'm just gonna clear some space for myself. Bum-ba-dum-ba-dum. You also just sometimes have to work with what you got. So we're working out with the kids. I'm gonna turn on a workout probably by Mad Fit because she's just been my favorite recently. And we're doing it with the kids. Good morning! The purple one. She wants to do the purple one. Okay, well, we'll see. I'm gonna have to squat. We've already done our breakfast, Bible reading, kind of tidying ourselves up, but we are still in our jammies. Dun dun. Finishing up our morning tea. Today's just been a little bit of a slower morning because, as you can tell, I am sick. Not feeling too hot, but that is okay. So quickly gonna do a workout with these kiddos and then we'll continue throughout our day. Thank you for being here. Intense. Like, I've been following her other lower abs. I've been following Mad Fit's other, like, she has a bunch, but it's like a specific other lower ab exercise, and I've been really good at it, but I thought I'd change it up. That one is like 10 times harder and my abs are burning, but it's good. Almost on my tea. My voice is a little off, don't mind that. I need to go ahead and get myself all cleaned up. If you haven't seen like my ab kind of transformation before and after, like postpartum video, it was a recent upload and I can link that down below. It took me 30 days to go from a very loose postpartum belly to something a lot more strong and toned. So if you want to see that video, it is linked down below. It's worth watching, especially if you are postpartum and just kind of want to feel your organs back in place. It's a great way to kind of start maybe doing that. But we are gonna go upstairs. Well, where are my kids? I see Calvin. Calvin's right here. Hey, Calvin. Okay, we found Elizabeth. Also, her sleeper is just a little too big, so we've been tying it up so it doesn't like fall down and cause her to trip. So all the kids think that she has a bunny tail, so that's fun. Calvin, come on, let's go upstairs. We're gonna get dressed in our day clothes. So everyone is dressed. Everyone is dressed and ready to go except for me. Elizabeth is down for a nap. Kids are downstairs playing. I always get a lot of questions from people asking how I have time for myself and how I get things done when my kids are awake. Yes, this is the Lush's No Drought Dry Shampoo. I'll never actually support Lush again because they use a lot of artificial fragrance, which I don't agree with. They also support a bunch of things I personally don't. Never gonna buy from Lush again, which is kind of a pity, and I'd rather support small businesses anyways. But anyway, so many people are always like, Sarah, how do you do it? Like, how do you get ready in the morning? How do you do all this stuff? The Pink House Pit Potion is so good. The way that I do it is that I've always encouraged my kids to entertain themselves. I'm able to get so many things done and be very productive while my kids are awake because my kids are so good at entertaining themselves. I turned on some Christmas music downstairs for the kids because they love that. My kids love being by themselves, and then on top of that, like entertaining themselves when they know I have some things that I'd like to get done. So it's really nice and it's quite perfect. Some days I'd say are easier than others when it comes to the kids entertaining themselves, but for the most most part, my kids are amazing. And that's just come from giving them quiet time at a young age. It's come from long car rides where they kind of have to entertain themselves. And it just comes from me teaching them to have imaginations and to do well with just what they have, whether they're by themselves or with some other people. That's how I'm just kind of getting this stuff done. I'm just going to wash my face. I've been using the Bioderma Sensibio cleanser because my skin has become 10 times more sensitive since giving birth to Elizabeth, and it's probably my favorite cleanser. Kieran still uses my Ursa Major cleanser, but I just needed something a little bit better for some sensitive skin, so that's why I've been using this one. And of course, on my Foreo, I love this thing. I use it every single day. It's like my favorite. I am gonna purchase the Foreo for sensitive skin because this one's for combo skin. I feel like it's still just maybe a little bit too much since giving birth to Elizabeth, and I'll pass this one on to my husband because he has super combo skin. Anyway, I'm gonna rinse my face and actually start cleaning up my room because I need to. Vegetables for me. Vegetables for you and me. Vegetables for you. Vegetables for me. Vegetables for you and me. Good job, Ivy, for not talking with food in your mouth. We are just finishing up some lunches. Lunchtime for me is also like dinner time prep. So I'm just going through my cookbook. This is one of my favorites. And this is the anti-inflammation cookbook. It's so good. So tonight we're gonna do crispy oven roasted broccoli. Excuse you. That's right, Ivy, with salmon. Oh, and you know what? I only have enough mushrooms for soup that I'm making tomorrow. Otherwise, I'd do this too, but we're gonna do broccoli, salmon, cashew cream. Can you hear me? Cashew cream, and then I think we'll do some sort of like rice pasta or maybe quinoa. It's very loud in here. Anyway, so been doing that, going through my planner, planning some meals and stuff out. This is our loud time of the day. I got pizza with these. Is it too loud? Is it too loud in here? A little bit too loud. It's okay. Can't hear anything. I'll talk to you guys later. They're here. They're here, Ivy. We got our furniture. Yay, it's just downstairs. I am so excited. Wait, I might wait for Kieran. Let's wait for Kieran. I'm excited, but let's wait for Kieran. Hey, welcome to Baking with Sarah. My voice is just, it's starting to go. We're drinking, this looks weird. This is charcoal with like some lemon, some apple cider vinegar. We have some peppermint tea in here, some probiotics. The charcoal is what makes it look extremely black. It's really good. It's so good. So for today, we are baking Sezzy's cookies. Sezzy is Sarah's day. If you didn't know, I have been following Sarah's day for the longest time. I have thoroughly enjoyed her and her YouTube channel and her videos and her recipes. Anyway, so recently, and I'll probably make another video about this sometime, I have gone dairy-free and also gluten-free for my skin and for my gut. So she has cookies that are dairy-free and gluten-free, and apparently they're supposed to be quite delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and start making them. We're using cocoa nibs and vanilla chocolate bar. This is Naked. It is vegan and gluten-free. Yeah. Let's go like this. Put all this in. There we go. Ivy has been in the need of new panties. The panties that we actually like first purchased for, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I know, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, Ivy. When Ivy was first being potty trained, we just got her like random panties because we didn't care and because she was being potty trained. And then we bought her some like, they are actually bloomers. They weren't even panties and they just really covered her bum because lifting up her dresses and stuff. And now we have some like actual little panties for Ivy. These are very cute. These are by the brand Jackson Lennon and it's full bum coverage. They're very soft. They have such nice lining through the, you know, area. Calvin got little boxers.
They look like trees.
There's trees on them. So Calvin got a bunch of, no, don't, no, not yet. Calvin will be getting potty trained very soon. He's almost 2. And I'm just kind of waiting for like a rainy week where I can just be on top of him the whole time. But look at how cute these are. That's gonna be very cool. So I bought those from Jackson Lennon and then Balzac Paris sent me another package. They are so sweet to send me beautiful, epically made pieces. I feel like they do it often and it's just really special for me. So they recently gave me a sweater and now we got some jeans. Oh, I am so excited. Look at, oh, they are so cool. So they're like a nice blue. They have a little bit of a vintage feel, but they're like a very nice solid blue. They're high rise. They are kind of like the mom butt. I'm very excited for these. These I got in a size 34, but it's in France, so I'm not sure if the sizes are different. It's less energy, less water, and like less everything to make these jeans versus fast fashion. So I'm excited. I need to wake these kids up from their naps and get going on some other things. Making some dinner. I have some broccoli florets that I am tossing in like olive oil, lemon juice. I need paprika. I need smoked paprika. Paprika, where are you? Okay, here we go. This is what I need. Just a bit. I've been adding smoked paprika to almost every veggie dish. It just gives it such a nice smoky flavor. So we're gonna put this and some salmon onto our baking sheet. I also have some gluten-free rice pasta cooking up and some cashew cream that I'm going to make into like a garlic dill tarragon white sauce. So this meal is dairy-free and gluten-free and delicious. I'm just gonna keep stirring this up. It looks like Kieran may be late again. That poor guy is usually pretty late, but that's okay. The most important thing is that he comes home safe and that he has a super yummy dinner waiting for him. That's like the most important thing. It's like that evening light happening. It's really pretty. I'm trying to find my kids. Door number 1. Door number 1! And Elizabeth is forever climbing upstairs and getting lost. Mama's just gonna finish cooking up dinner and then we can eat. And then hopefully Papa's gonna be home. Yeah. Worse than IKEA. These are awesome crutches. It's like designer crutches.
Designer crutches.
It's not a crutch. Oh. Hello. Kieran's home. Hi.
Where?
Hi, Kieran. Kieran, how are you?
I'm great.
Awesome. It flatters your skin tone.
Does it?
It actually does. Oh no, I'm too pink for it. Not sponsored, should have been. Thank you article for not sponsoring today's video and making me spend thousands of dollars on new. No, it wasn't thousands of It wasn't thousands of dollars, but sometimes it feels like it when you buy new furniture. I looked all over Craigslist. I wanted to see if I could find something like someone else just didn't want because I like thrifting and getting things for cheap. I couldn't find anything. And I wanted 2 desks that were exactly the same and pretty much just looked exactly like this. We're gonna put this together. Well, Kieran is mostly gonna put this together.
It'll be easy.
It'll be, yeah, the drawers are already built. So much better than IKEA. So anyway, that's why I went with article. This is nice. We're excited. We're gonna build it and then we're going to sleep.
Good night.
Good night. you look naked. Yeah, okay, anyways, so we're gonna do the other desk. One is gonna go there, one is gonna go there if I have measured correctly.
Chacolas. Puño.
Puño. I don't know what to do with that hairpiece. Like, it doesn't know what to do, and I don't know what to do with it. Ooh, that's okay. Okay, it is the next day, and this is what they look like. I'm really excited to get the studio, like, all figured out, but this was kind of like step one, getting our desks. This one's mine, this one's Kieran's, and guys, I'm kind of freaking out. Kieran wants to get, like, a huge, beefy computer and, like, a tower, and I was like, Kieran, that's so ugly. He's like, I know, but I just really want one, so I was like, okay. It'll be fine. It's fine. I really like how they look, and I'm just so excited to start working and getting some things done in here. It's nice to actually finally have a station to properly work, hash out some videos and editing and emails and calls. This is going to be fantastic. I'm just so excited that I am able to do this and do this with Kieran and my whole family. Working from home is a huge blessing. And here's to, honestly, many more years of doing this. I am just excited. So thank you for watching today's vlog, and I guess yesterday's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, if you liked it, please subscribe, or at least give me a thumbs up, because that is very helpful to me and my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!